Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to share with you a new kit club that I recently got involved with called Annie's Kit Club. If you decide that it's something that you're interested in, there will be a link in the description box. Follow it if you would. Anybody who uses my link to purchase, I do get a little bit of a commission basically on that. So obviously I would rather that you follow my link than just go look it up yourself, because if I was the one that inspired you, then that would be awesome for them to know that. So this club, I actually found it on Facebook a few months ago, and I do love making cards. I just don't always have the best ideas, so I do tend to either use up my scraps from like my Kiwi kits, or I will buy close to my heart kits, something like that. So it's kind of fun to get them another way and then use somebody else's ideas, honestly. So you saw the bag it was in, nice padded bag. It's got cardboard in there to keep stuff from getting bent. And obviously I haven't even looked at this month's, so this one will be a mystery that we'll unpack together. So I've got a couple of little ink pads that came this time. Little stamp set. So far the other stamps that I've gotten have been like the clear acetate stamps. What do they call them? I don't know. So anyway, this one looks like it's going to be like a birthday celebration themed. Got this little strap here. We'll check all this out in a minute. Came with some enamel dots and a dauber. What else is in here? Can always use a dauber. Those are fun colors. Oh, a little bit of sequins, it looks like. These are little acetate circles. Some ribbon. Okay, these are the full 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. So it looks like we've got a deep blue. This is kind of maybe a light gray. That really pretty kind of aqua, a red, and then kind of a white. This paper this month is a decent weight cardstock. Sometimes it is just a regular sheet of paper. I mean, they're crafting weight, but they're not they're not real heavy. And then in this envelope or bag, whatever you want to call it, looks like I've got card bases and envelopes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 envelopes. So this kit's going to make 8 cards. And then the 8 bases, 4 blue, 4 red. All right. So I am definitely a do the math girl. So it was almost $26. I'm going to make 8 cards. So a little bit more than $3 a piece. So still less than I would pay in the store. And I will tell you, so far, I have ended up with plenty of paper left over, where if I create some bases of my own or just use some white bases, I could definitely do several more cards. So value-wise, that sounds decent to me. And I think my favorite thing is that I've got this great idea book, and now I can sit and watch TV in the evening with my family, have a little table pulled up, and I can create cards. So let's see what we're going to make. this month. So there's a couple of examples on the front. It says this month's technique. I don't know how to pronounce that. Bokeh, B-O-K-E-H. Okay. And when I open this up, so what I thought were these little acetate circles, it looks like what we're actually going to end up doing is punching those out and using this as a stencil. So we're using a watercolor paper, we're doing some daubing. Oh, that is really interesting. One of the things, where did it go? One of the things that I opened up was this water brush in this kit. I don't know why I just set it off to the side, but we're going to be using this water brush along with those ink pads and the stencil and dauber to create these cool kind of background techniques. So pretty neat that out of this kit this time, I'm going to learn something new. So I like that. To me, that's valuable all by itself. So there's always samples, at least, this one has 4 sample ideas. And so you could just make 2 of each one. So I could make 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these if I don't want to come up with anything else on my own. So that's kind of nice. That is already available for me. The other option for me is sometimes I'll pull out some of my other stamps or something to mix it up a bit, or even just mix up what they gave me. So I have everything I need to add the sequins, add the enamel dots. So that's awesome. So let me just show you, I'll show you what a couple of other months have looked like. So you have something to go on and you can decide if this is something that you would want to play with. So I think it was my very first month that I got. It came with cutting directions to make these kind of angled cards. So this was something different that I hadn't done before. It always comes with the stamps and all the, like I said, all the papers. This month came with a lot of kind of punch out their cardstock, okay? A thin chipboard, I guess. And so I popped those up on foam tape. And I'm just showing you the different styles that I made. So this particular month, I think I made 8 cards, but I just did 2, 2, 2 of the designs that they gave. This one says you make life fun. And then sending you sunny thoughts with these cute little butterflies on it. It says thinking of you inside. So those were fun, and I love that they come with the envelopes, especially if you're making something that's a little bit of an odd size. It's nice that that's provided. The month after that came with supplies to make shaker cards. So I don't know if you can see, but inside there's all these fun little sequins. It came with all of those. It came with the acetate, the punch outs to create the top of the acetate, lots and lots of foam strips to be able to elevate everything. So not only were you getting to learn a fun new technique, you had enough stuff left over to do it on another project. So these were all kind of happy birthday themed. Love that shaker in there. And lots of sequins. I really filled these with a bunch, so it'd be super fun. So party. And I probably had like 4 ideas or so. I don't know. And I just mixed them up a little bit. This one says big birthday wishes. And then happy birthday. And then I want to say last month was this kind of soft yellow theme. So we've got sending hugs. And then they came with some punch out cardstock pieces, the stamps, the ribbon, all the paper. This is elevated up on foam tape. Okay, so these ones are designed to open this way. This one says thinking of you. Hello. Came with some ribbon and just a technique for doing that. This one still opens that way. Got smile. You are so much sunshine to the square inch. So that was cute. This little banner to tuck out the sides. Hello, sunshine. And then you are one of a kind. So many great tools to play with. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know sometimes other people are looking for ideas as well. And I don't always want to be creative. I'm not going to lie. There are times that I'm in the mood to play with paper, but I don't want to come up with the idea. So these are perfect for that mood, when I just want to create something and walk away with something done, and not necessarily be the one who figured it all out. So anyway, I hope that this gave you a little bit of a window into these Annie's card making kits. That way you can make a decision for yourself and see if it's something that you're interested in playing with. I know when I started, I think my first kit was less, so I'm going to look before I post everything and see if I can get you guys a coupon code to get a discount to get started. So don't forget to check that description box. Thanks for popping in today, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.